morning, ladies and gentlemen. Recently, we accomplished a book that's titled Law, Politics and Revenue Attraction on Intellectual Property by Cambridge Scholar Publishing. We're very honored to have two of our authors, Yves from Couter and Stepahnie. Today, we'd like to share the highlights for the book. This book examines numerous pressing issues on intellectual property, such as the updated legal framework on the technology transfer in Europe and US. So therefore, we would like to ask Stepahnie and Yves, what do you think to be the importance of this book for the legal and business community?
Well, I think I remember that about 1 year ago, we gathered quite some experts from all over the world, from Europe, from Asia, from the United States, to actually deal and make presentations on new trends, intellectual property related. And at those presentations, I was really amazed of the new trends, the speed of innovation and related issues as regards intellectual property, whether it is technology transfer or 3D printing and new issues arising in every single region in the world. And this book and every single chapter of the book is actually covering one of these new trends and issues. Any legal counsel, judge confronted with international problems, conflicts, should actually be aware of or have a some kind of knowledge. And by going through this book, reading each chapter, I think that you're basically up to date and have a flavor of what's going on. I think that's the main value, the essence of the book, and it shows how we are globally connected between the legal profession, persons dealing with technology, and having an interest in innovation and moving the world forward.
Yeah, thank you, Yves. And then, what is the importance of this new European law on technical transfer? So, would you like to elaborate a little bit?
Yeah, this new regulation is intended to be an improvement to the previous technology transfer block exemption regulation that was in force in the EU. It provides guidance to companies wishing to enter into a technology transfer licensing agreement and assessing whether this agreement is conform or contrary to the EU competition law rules. The new regulation, and especially the guidelines that go with this regulation, contain very detailed explication and guidelines as to the assessment of whether specific clauses or agreements fall within, for example, the hardcore restrictions or the safe harbor. So it intends to make it easier for companies and to provide more legal certainty. There are, of course, still some things that are not very clear, and it is always important to still ask legal advice as to the specifics of the application of this regulation to a specific agreement. But it is indeed a step forward for legal certainty for businesses active in Europe.
Yeah, thank you, Yves and Stepahnie. And this book is essential reading for anyone involved in the interest of intellectual property, and the analysis commented by in-depth case study and demonstrate how company can benefit enormously from integrated application of all kinds of IP rights and how they can profit from the patent licensing and acquisition. And currently, we are planning for the second book. We hope soon we will bring Yves and Stepahnie here again to share the highlights and the development of technology transfer in Europe. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.